Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Aave DeFi lending protocol. Aave DeFi lending protocol is a decentralized finance DeFi platform that allows users to lend and borrow cryptocurrencies. It's primarily targeted at cryptocurrency investors and traders looking to earn interest on their holdings or access loans using their crypto as collateral. Key features include a wide range of supported cryptocurrencies, variable and stable interest rates, and flash loans. Their website provides details on supported assets and current interest rates. Aave positions itself as a secure and transparent DeFi lending platform. Their website highlights the security audits they undergo and the transparency of their interest rates, no hidden fees and no contracts. They utilize a unique approach leveraging smart contracts on the blockchain to automate the lending and borrowing process. Availability is global, accessible to anyone with an internet connection and a compatible crypto wallet. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Aave. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. After connecting my MetaMask wallet, I was able to browse the available lending options and deposit some ETH and USDC. The interface, while initially a bit daunting with all the technical terms, became fairly intuitive after a short learning curve. I particularly like the ability to see the current interest rates for each asset, clearly displayed on the dashboard. I experimented with both lending and borrowing small amounts. The process was seamless and the transactions were processed quickly. The interest accrued on my lent assets was as advertised, and I was able to withdraw my funds without any issues. I had a quick question about gas fees and their community forum provided a prompt and helpful answer. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. I had to use my desktop browser for everything. It also took me a little while to fully understand the implications of using different lending strategies and risk parameters. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Aave. It's a powerful platform, and while it has a steep learning curve for beginners, the potential rewards make it worth the effort for experienced cryptocurrency users. That's my overview of Aave DeFi lending protocol. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.